What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I have 5 dividend stocks that are at a discount. Some of them are cheap dividend stocks. Some of them I'm considering buying. I'm going to provide my rationales as to why. And of course, dividend growth is key with any dividend stock. So you want to have dividend growth. You want to get raises. You want to see good revenue. I'll go over that. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bells. Don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these dividend stocks out right now. These guys are way down. So I'm looking at maybe buying them on Friday. Don't quote me on that. I'm just through 500 in American Tower for tomorrow. But Hormel Foods, HRL, sitting at 32.67. A dividend yield of 3.37%, a PE ratio of 20.46, average volume 2.55 million, the market cap is 17.85 billion US dollars. Year range is 32.20 to 49.73, day range is 32.20 to 36.19, and its previous close is 36.25. Now I'm going to go over the revenue trends and dividend history. So revenue wise, is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 9,523. 2017, 9,167. 2018, 9,545. 2019, 9,497. 2020, 9,608. 2021, 11,386. In 2012, 12,458. Now everybody's talking about this Ozempic. This is why the stocks are going down. Just go to the store and see their logo everywhere. These guys ain't going anywhere. This is why I'm very attracted to buying them. Now let's check out their dividend history. One thing I like about them is they are a dividend king. So they have pretty good stock split history as well. So this is their dividend trends. This is what I like about them. 2016, 15 cents. 2017, 17 cents. 2018, 19 cents. 2021, 2019, they were 21 cents. 2020, 23 cents, 2021, 25 cents, 2022, 26 cents, 2023, 28 cents. Now, according to Zacks, the payout ratio is a little bit high at 64%. I'm not too concerned about that. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 7.24%. So if you bought one share, you made 110 with a 3.04% dividend yield. Pretty attractive. Now let's check out the next dividend stock. Next one is Kellanova. K is a symbol. It has a dividend yield of 4.94%, a PE ratio of 19.32, average volume 3.12 million. The market cap is 16.64 billion US dollars. Your range is 47.63 to 72.41. Day range is 47.63 to 49.45. Previous close was 49.53. Now remember the little spin-off that happened with them. So really, with their price range, they are going down right now. So that is one thing that's attractive with them. And having me as a dividend investor, I love buying dips. I love when TSLY, NVDY, ETF buy these dividend growth stocks. I'm going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history. These revenue trends are very attractive with Kellanova. 2016 annually in millions US dollars, 12,965. 2017, 12,854. 2018, 13,547. 2019, 13,578. 2020, 13,770. 2021, 14,181. In 2022, 15,315. There is a increase in revenue. I like that. What I like about dividend stocks, if I see an increase in revenue, that attracts me to them because I like to see revenue trends. Usually the board of directors hike dividends when there are revenue trends that are going up, as long as everything's financially stable and they're a good company. Now let's check out their dividend history. Now with Kellanova, I'm going to start in 2012. Their dividend growth is a little slower as compared to Hormel Foods. So 2012 was 44 cents, 2013 46 cents, 2014 49 cents, 2015 50 cents, 2016 52 cents, 2017 54 cents, 2018 56 cents, 2019 56 cents to 57 cents. A little stagnant in 2020 and 2021. Then in 2021, it jumped to 58 cents. and then it just cracked 60 cents in 2023. Their payout ratio, according to Zacks, is 55%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 1.28%. So if you bought one share, you made $240 with a 4.85% dividend yield. I still like Hormel Foods a little bit better than them, but this dividend stock, I'm very surprised with their price dropping significantly. We're going to go over that. And surprisingly, Hershey's has dropped significantly. At one point, they were 273.06 and they dropped down to 187.65. Huge dip. Now, past year, they've been down 17.31%. Look at that huge dip. Dividend yield is 2.54%, a PE ratio of 22.69. Average volume 1.41 million. The market cap is 38.37 billion US dollars. Year range is 186.63 to 276.88. Day range is 186.63 to 192. Previous close is 191. Now everybody's saying, well, Ozempic's the issue. It's the issue. Maybe they were way overvalued and people are just capitalizing on the dip, but many people are targeting this. Many dividend investors are targeting this. I'm seeing this on social media. They're going straight after Hershey. I don't blame them. It may drop even more. So this is one that's definitely on my target right now. But Hormel right now on my list is one I may buy on Friday. Don't quote me on that. Again, when you invest in stocks, you need to know what you're doing and do your due diligence. But this one's very attractive. I'm going to show you their revenue trends and dividend history. Again, this is excellent dividend growth. 2011, 35 cents quarterly dividend distribution. 2012, 38 cents. 2013, 42 cents to 49 cents. 2014, then it cracked 54 cents. 2015, it cracked 58 cents. 2016, it cracked 62 cents. 2017, 66 cents. 2018, 72 cents. 2019, 77 cents. 2020, 80 cents. 2021, 90 cents. 2022, 104, and then 2023, 119. Their payout ratio is not bad, 45% according to Zacks. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 9.93%. So if you bought one share, you made $477 with a 2.49% dividend yield. That's pretty attractive. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. This one is surprising in the past 5 years. Tyson Foods. He dropped down 24.54% in 5 years. They were in line with the S&P, beating the S&P where the pandemic hit, and boom, they're down. So they have a dividend yield of 4.08%, a PE ratio of 50.65, average volume 2.67 million. Market cap is 16.75 billion US dollars. Year range is 46.40 to 74.07. Boom, big dip. Day range is 46.79 to 48.24, and its previous close was 48.21. Now look at this past year to date, down 25.93%. This is supposed to be like a defensive stock, but it's down. So, and again, things are starting to get more expensive. I'm buying more chicken. I'm buying more chicken in my cutting mode. I buy Tyson products all the time. And I'm very surprised. Now, if you want to correlate Ozempic with Tyson Foods, chicken's a little bit leaner than beef. It's a little bit, it's a little bit healthier. So that still surprising. I know I'm tying in Ozempic to everything, but it's just crazy the way people are discussing and saying that they're the reason why all these food stocks are dropping. So let's jump to the revenue and dividend history. Recently, these guys have had so much negative news, but their revenue's gone up, which still attracts me. And again, chicken is cheaper than beef. So 2016, annually in millions US dollars, 36,881. 2017, 38,260. 2018, 40,052. 2019, 42,405. 2020, 43,185. 2021, 47,049. 2022, 53,282. So that's a huge increase in revenue. And again, I like their products. And I really did some studying with them, seeing what they're about, and I'm a big fan of Tyson Foods. I'm going to continue to buy them, and I plan on being long in them. So let me jump to their dividend history. I'm going to start in 2014. They were 8 cents to 10 cents. 2015, 15 cents. 2016, 23 cents. 2017, 30 cents. 2018, 38 cents. 2019, 42 cents. 2020, they were 45 cents. 2021, 46 cents. 2022, 48 cents. So they've been a little stagnant with their dividend. Their payout ratio is 74%. I'm not too concerned. I have them a little bit on the back burner because, you know, some of these other stocks, the real estate sector, financial sector, I've been really targeting. But, and again, I'm going after American Tower. They're way down. And with the dividend increases in the last 5 years, that's 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 5.79%, which is not bad. You bought one share, you made 192 with a 3.98% dividend yield. That's pretty attractive. Now, let's jump to the final dividend stock. This one's surprising as well. Conagra Brands are sitting at 26.63, a dividend yield of 5.26%, a PE ratio of 11.83, average volume 4.82 million. Market cap is 12.73 billion US dollars. The tier range is 25.16 to 41.30. Day range is 26.51 to 27.44. Previous close is 27.36. Wow, huge dip. That, I mean, I own these guys. I really like them. They're really good with. I buy a lot of their products. Frozen food, like steamable vegetables. Love them, especially during cutting mode. I mean, I'm just thinking about 3 brands that once I start cutting: McCormick seasoning, Conagra Brands with veggies, Tyson Foods with chicken. I mean, I'm just thinking about all the stuff that's going on, and these are products that people buy all the time in the stores. This is what still attracts me to a lot of these dividend stocks, is what people buy in the stores. Just look at people on their shopping cart. Now let's jump to their revenue and dividend history. This is good. We're seeing an increase in revenue. 2017, annually in millions US dollars, 7,826. 2018, 7,938. 2019, 9,538. 2020, 11,054. 2021, 11,184. 2022, 11,535. 2023, 12,277. So good increase in revenue, good revenue hikes. I like that. Usually leads to dividend hikes. Let's check out their revenue. Let's check out their dividend history. So look at this dividend growth. 21 cents in 2017. They were stagnant for a while. And then all of a sudden, 2020, 28 cents. 2021, 31 cents. 2022, 33 cents. Then they cracked 35 cents in 2023. So in 5 years, their dividend growth is 13.67%. Dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. Payout ratio is 49% according to Zacks. If you bought one share, you made 140 with a 5.12% dividend yield. I like that. And I haven't bought many shares in a while. I probably will start buying a little bit more since they're at a discount in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. They need a little bit of loving. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bells so not miss future videos. I wanted to post you 5 dividend stocks that are taking a beating. Hormel Foods, I'm looking at buying them Friday. It's highly likely, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. Make sure you do your due diligence when you invest in dividend stocks or make purchases on any form of stocks. Seek professional advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. I'm not giving you any financial advice. And of course, the train in the background is a headache. I'm trying to give you a disclaimer. So always do your due diligence when you're researching stocks. And also make sure that you realize that you can lose money in investments. You can gain money, you can lose money. So again, this is entertainment purposes. I show you my buys. I explain to you my rationales with my buys. And you have a good one.